you what is Commission Junction. Commission Junction is another paperless program. This is also a paper shell program. It's another best paper lead and paper shell program in internet. Commission Junction is an online advertising company, and you can get paid for putting the advertisement taking from here on your blog. So you have to join as a publisher. So click here and just sign up. India, US dollar. Next. This is you have to the service agreement. Just accept this and check these boxes. You have to at least 18 years of age. Click on this. Site information. You have to put some site information right here. Online education, and type your blog address. Describe something free tips on online education. Category, right, something education related, and current monthly unique right here. Define your promotional method. Does your website offer incentive visitor? No. Description, special program, online education. First name is Aditya. Right here. Phone number, just like put your phone number, your valid mail ID. Copy this and paste here. Verify email address. Your phone number. Okay, then organization name, write your name. If you do have any company, you can put your organization name. And address, write your address. Kolkata, West Bengal 7. Phone number, write your phone number if you do have any fax number. Currency dollar, and select the payment type. Check currency, US dollar. Right here PCTY. Enter the character PTCY CTE. Accept the term. You have already signed up. So check your mail. Commission will send some identification number, and this is your username, this is the password. So copy this one and you can go to cj.com. So login, this is email id and password is you will get from your mail id. And paste here, go. So this is the member area of commission junction. Okay, so new advertiser is there, and get link, you can click on get link. So these are the company of these are the category of advertiser in commission junction. So you can search anything, search advertiser and just type here lead, paper lead. So lead, find it, and lots of company will get from here. And you please select all and application for the program. Waiting, it's coming. So these are the company. Lots of company will reject also. Some company will be pending status, and this company you can get this. This is one of affiliate program, and you can accept the terms and condition. Automatically it will check. Then one more is there, and check it. Accept this, continue. They are approved your this company has approved your blog, your application. So go for next, pages 2. Once again apply this program. Lots of advertising company you can get from commission junction. Commission junction actually is one of the biggest affiliate marketing company in internet. These are the company. There is some company, this company this is a paper lead, this is paper sale. So close this and click on third one. Lots of 250 companies there. That means 10 pages you can get from here. Apply program. Click on this and you can accept this, continue. select all and apply. Some company will be pending, and some company will not approve your application, and lots of company will approve also. So you'll have to take the code from here and you'll have to put your in your blog, so that visitors will come here and click on this ad, and will go to this advertisement, this website, and they will purchase something or register something, and you will get commission for this. So as many as you want, you can so this is, click on this and accept this condition, click on this and accept this condition, continue. Page number 6, you can go here. Select all, apply. Close it. Just go here and to your get link, and by relationship you can go there. You can search by lead, search by sale also. Otherwise you can write anything. You can choose education. Check your mailbox. Select all, apply the program. Because our blog is some education related, so search by education also. Click on this and accept this. Accept this one and continue. Close. Go to the next page. Select and apply. Click on this and accept the condition. Accept the condition and continue. Close. Go to the third page. . selector, apply. Nothing is there. So go to this is a run report, back. Advertise list, and this is your by relationship. So actually some advertisement code will come after certain time. No result is there, but this is the pending of a pending list and pending applications, publisher expired, everything will be there. And you have to some company will be there, you will get link from here, and after getting that link you will have to put the link, just like bid advertiser here, add a gadget. You have to add a gadget. After that, after putting the ad, the advertisement will come here, and you can put the advertisement here also. So this is the way to take the ad from commission junction. And after getting the ad, visitors will come here, to your blog, and they will click on the ad, and they will enter the website, in the website, and you will get commission for this. Okay, thank you.